Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. More. Hooray! Oh, ito ang pinakamura Dinalin. Wala pang isang ito. Lahat. Kasama na pagkain.
Help ka ni ate. You can do it by yourself or ate? Okay.
Like this?
Yeah.
Use both of these. What it looks like.
Yay! Let's come from mommy and papa. Press the oven. Press mo ate. See?
I love it.
You love it?
Can I take off it?
No, you take open first. Yeah, they have.
This one is from Papa.
Papa
We
and
say
mama.
thank you, Papa.
Thank you, Papa.
And mama. That's from ate?
No.
That's from ate.
Look. What does it say? What does it say?
Read first.
Read first.
What's it from here? Here. What does it say? Over here.
From?
Yeah, from Ikea.
From Atia. Ano? See? That's a nice one.
This one is
A magnet. You can build a house. A small house.
That's
in
a
there.
puzzle magnet.
Say thank you, ate.
Hindi siya happy.
I'll show you later.
Another one.
This one.
That one. Two from?
From
Papa.
Pow Pow.
Pow Pow.
Say thank you, Kuya Pau Pau.
Kuya Papa.
Thank you.
Thank you. What is it gonna be?
What's that? What?
Oops.
Orange. What's that?
What is that?
That's your bag. School bag.
Wait, that's a doctor.
Yes, you like it?
I like it. I want that.
You want that? You want to be a doctor?
Can I be the doctor, please?
Well, I'll help you.
Yeah, from Ananya.
We need to open it.
Open it.
That's so
That's
weird.
from your friend, Ananya.
What it looks like.
It looks like a gift.
I get.
That's a big gift, Atia. See?
Can I take it out?
What's that?
Wait, there's still gifts?
Yeah. Oh, that's the two gifts. Oh, may 3 pa. Oh. That's a lot. Yeah, hey, what's that? Barbie.
Yes, that's what I'm talking about.
Parang ano, pusdak lang yung Barbie. Eh. Oh, there's another one. What's that? Barbie again. You like it?
What is it?
That's lipstick. You can put that in your nose.
What is that? What about this?
Nagbibideo ka, tapos nagsasalita ka kung ano-anong lumalabas sa bibig mo.
Pwede edit yun eh.
Edit! Akala mo, napakagaling mag-edit ah.
Is that? What's that?
What's that?
What is that?
Yeah, that's a
I think
paper.
Ananya made this for you.
Yeah.
You have
Yeah.
to open.
May ano yan, there's something inside. Ano mo siya ate? There's something inside? Yeah, there's something inside.
That one too.
How cute.
This one.
Cute? I told you. Oh. One. This, you like this? Yeah, you want me to open this?
Wala pa han.
What about
Yes.
this one?
What is this dude? Are you still picturing?
Yes.
You're still videoing me?
Yes.
Where's the scissors?
Sneakers.
Ewan ko sa'yo.
I saved.
Toto.
Yeah, right. Right.
Mm.
Oh,
Hmm?
Gift card.
Give it to Atia.
give me that.
It's a
Gift.
$30 gift card.
They say
Oh,
thank
you
you.
can buy another toys.
Yeah, you can buy. Okay, now this one.
Did Ananya make me this? That's so sweet.
$30 voucher.
Ananya printed.
You read, you read. You read, you read.
Mama?
Have another one. Oh, get the one, another one. Tia, have more inside.
Yeah.
Iris, ano mo muna yung isa?
Here. There's another one.
Hmm.
What was this one? What was this one? From Ate Jonah?
Hmm.
Lego?
Iris, ano mo nga
I
Iris?
don't like Legos.
You don't like Legos? Legos are fun.
Yeah. Legos are fun.
Wait, what
Lego ka muna doon.
the heck? This. Look at that. See? What is this?
Atia, happy birthday. What do I open? Do I open it?
But you might rip it. Wait, I'll open it. Or you open it like that. Then.
Sorry, I ripped it. What is it? Dollars?
Oh.
Oh, you got
Oh,
50.
you got 50.
You got money now, Tia. You're rich.
I'm